Guess what? You won. You won. You actually won the prize. Hey everyone, so I just got done giving away these really cool LED door sills from EVBASE. These door sills are really sharp and they rotate through 7 different colors. They're completely waterproof, IP67 rated. And what's really great is they require no wiring. Super easy install. They come with batteries that can recharge using USB-C. And check out EVBASE.com. They sell tons of Tesla accessories. And don't forget Father's Day. And whatever you do, don't forget Tesla Mark. Discount code 15%. Everything on the website. All the links down below. And please like and subscribe so I can keep doing these giveaways. Anyway, had some fun. Met this really nice couple. Nice new Model Y. Now they got some killer door sills to match. Random giveaway. Why not? All right, I'm gonna try something out here. It's completely different. Never done anything like this before, but maybe we'll have some fun. Giveaway time. Hi, sorry to bother you. And do you want the chance to win some cool Tesla prizes?
Okay, so what should we do?
You have to answer just one question. I'm Tesla Mark.
Hi, Mark.
What is your favorite premium place to go online to buy Tesla accessories?
EVBASE?
EVBASE! You got, guess what? You won. You won. You actually won the prize. You want to see what you won?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, go ahead and peel back that layer.
Wow.
Oh, that's nice. You have to win it. Nice.
And there we go.
Yeah.
Wow, that's really cool.
Yes.
Awesome.
Is that pretty slick?
Yeah.
So we get this on EVBASE?
You guys get this today,
Oh, that's
right
cool.
now.
That's cool.
And I'm even going to install it for you here and everything.
Oh, okay. That's cool. Yeah, thank you very much. I really like this. It's really cool. Yep.
All right, so very simple install, and your car is already so clean. I don't even need to clean anything, but
Yep.
basically just
It's just clean 5
wipe
minutes
this
back.
down. This is a magnet on the back, so easy install, easy to remove. It just covers this up. If I could line it up. Once it's lined up, that's it.
That's it.
It just stays there because it's a magnet and it
Yeah.
stays in place.
So basically when the door is open and it's dark outside, so it glows up.
That's right. So there's no switches, there's nothing to put on the door, nothing
Right.
like that. Once the door closes, it'll cover this light up, and then once it's dark, it'll know and it'll come on. There's no wiring for this or anything. There is a battery inside, but what's nice is it's rechargeable. That's what this USB connection is for.
Yeah.
Yeah, USB-C. So,
Yeah.
and this is going to last a long time, right? Because it's not very much lights. It's not
Light.
going to be lit up all the time.
Yeah.
So this should last you months. All right, let's see. How do they look? Oh, yeah, look at that. They look even better now that it's dark. Nice. Oh, that is sharp.
Yes.
Super excited. Thank you.
So much.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
This is really cool stuff.
Man, that looks good.
Yeah.
Well, hey, very nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you. Thanks.
Bye-bye.
Subscribe to Tesla Mark.
Ah, look at that. I'll pay you later.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Nice. Oh, yeah, that looks good. That looks really good.
Tesla Mark.
Thank you, guys. Bye-bye. Check out the links below, and don't forget to use Tesla Mark, all right? Everybody wins using Tesla Mark. 15%? I think 15%. Try it out. You'll get a discount, all right? It works everywhere, okay? Everywhere. Just try it out.